How to fix Snapchat notifications. If you have any problem with the notifications in your Snapchat, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. Open the apps manager, search for Snapchat and click on it and click on notifications management. Make sure that all these options are enabled right here. Go back and now click on permissions. Make sure also here that all the permissions are enabled. Go back and now click on this force stop. After that, go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and after that disable it. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.